Hi, this is Matisha from Jain Academy. So today I am going to solve a question based on differentiation and covers some logarithmic and trigonometric rules, and that came in advanced GE. So here I am beginning. See. Y equal to log under the root of 1 plus x plus under the root of 1 minus x. 1 by 2 power is here. Okay. So in denominator 1 plus x is here, just minus difference 1 minus x. So we have to find out dy by dx. So dy by dx should be equal to minus 1 by 2x into under the root of 1 minus x square. So whatever be the power in logarithm, here this whole power 1 by 2 will come in front, and 1 plus x and 1 minus x. We will try to reduce this. We will change it in some manner that under the root square comes. So to remove this under the root, so we will put x equal to sine theta. Let x equal to sine theta. Sine theta, you know that x sine theta is when 1 plus sine, we will put sine theta here. 1 plus sine theta will be 1 will be cos square theta plus sine square theta, cos square theta by 2 plus sine square theta by 2, and x, this sine theta may be written as 2 into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So the whole factor will be reduced to 1 plus or minus. We can take, so that will be 1 plus minus sine theta, and this can be written as in the cos square theta by 2 plus minus sine theta by 2 whole square. This will reduce to whole square. It will become the formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. According to the value, if plus is here, plus will be here, minus will be here, minus will be here. So see, so this whole form will reduce to 1 by 2 will come in front, log, this 1 by 2 in front of log, and this whole factor will be reduced to cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2. This is just only numerator, and denominator cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2 minus, as it is, cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2. This minus sine theta by 2 will become plus when minus will be multiplied. So these both will be cancelled, these both will be cancelled. So 1 by 2 log 2 cos theta by 2 upon 2 sine theta by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. Cos theta by 2 upon sine theta by 2 will be cot theta by 2. I am writing directly. Now, why is this? So, if we differentiate it, we will find the, how we will differentiate it? This is theta, not x. So we will differentiate dy. We will try to find out dy by d theta. That will be 1 by 2 constant outside, and differentiation of log, this will be, as we know, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So similarly, differentiation of this will be 1 by cot theta by 2, and differentiation, this is not directly x theta, so we will have to differentiate this in turn. So differentiation of cot theta by 2 will be minus cosec square theta by 2 into differentiation of theta by 2, chain rule, here I am applying chain rule, into 1 by 2. If we will open this will be 1 by sine square theta by 2, cos theta by 2 upon sine theta by 2. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by sin square theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2. So 1 sin theta, this sin theta by 2 will be cancelled with this 1 sin theta by 2. Minus 1 by 4 we will get. So we may write this as 2 into 2, 4 we can write it as 2 into 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So this will become the formula of sin theta. 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 may be written as 1 by 2 sin theta. This is dy by d theta, and dx by d theta, dx by d theta will be, theta is what, x is what, sin theta. So dx by d theta will be differentiation of sin theta with respect to theta will be sin theta, differentiation of sin theta with respect to theta will be cos theta. Here I am rubbing. So we have the value of, this is dy by d theta, dy by d theta is here, dx by d theta is here. So dy by d theta, dx will be dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So it will be dy by d theta is minus 1 by sin 2 sin theta upon dx by d theta cos theta. So dy by d theta, dx will be minus 1 upon 2 into sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta is x, here is x, so we will convert it into x. So it will be minus 1 by 2x, sin theta is x, we have assumed sin theta is x, into cos theta. Cos theta, if x is sin theta, then value of cos theta will be under the root of 1 minus x square. See, this has asked, minus, answer has come, minus 1, 2, denominator 2x under the root of 1 minus x square, 2x under the root of 1 minus x square. So this is solved, and the next question we will solve in the next video. Thank you very much.